What's up, YouTube? Big Daddy here. Time for another food review. Today we're doing a new flavor of Coca-Cola. I got my friend Riley here. I got mystery guest behind the camera. And we are trying all new limited edition cinnamon Coca-Cola. Riley's very excited about it, aren't you, Ry? So we're gonna pour. First, we're gonna give it the whiff test. I don't know. I just smell Coke coming out of the can.
I smell it in the cup.
Do you smell cinnamon?
No.
I don't either. Pour it in the cup.
It's for me a little.
Pour a little in Riley's cup.
That's too much.
It's poured you any. All right. So I'm gonna smell it from
Below
the cup.
the ice level. It is not.
I still don't smell cinnamon.
Come here.
Okay,
No,
here
I
we
smell
go.
a little.
All new
Bad
limited
sign.
edition cinnamon Coca-Cola. Let's do this. By the way, you like my Toy Story cup?
Is it good? No, you will not. Is it good?
Yeah, I like it.
Yay. It's weird. It's like you're eating like.
It's like Coke with Red Hots in it.
Ooh.
I hate to say it, guys, but I don't notice any difference. It just tastes like Coca-Cola to me.
No, it doesn't.
I'm sorry, I don't notice a big difference.
You suck at this. I'm sorry, but I taste cinnamon a lot.
I don't taste cinnamon. I don't smell cinnamon. I taste a little bit of cinnamon, but not like. It's not like crazy over the top like I thought it was gonna be.
It reminds me of drinking how cinnamon stuff smells at like the holidays. If that makes any sense.
Not at all, but
That's
no, it makes
It's
sense.
like eating a cinnamon candle.
Yeah, almost. You know how potent cinnamon sticks smell?
Yeah,
Cinnamon-
like that.
The last time I ate a cinnamon candle, oh, let me tell you, it set my soul on fire.
It tastes like that smell.
I don't know. I'm underwhelmed.
You're weird. You know,
I don't like Coca-Cola to begin with. I like Diet Coke. So that's one thing. But all I'm tasting is Coca-Cola.
I don't
It
know.
like overpowers the whole thing.
I don't think you can just say that.
So if you went in there and grabbed the cinnamon and just sprinkled it in here.
You know what? Hold on. I've been drinking this with crushed ice. Let me try it warm from the can.
Ew. Warm? What's
I did get more cinnamon flavor that way.
That's why I'm not going to drink from the can.
All right, so on a scale of 1 to 10, Rye, what do you rate it? The cinnamon Coca-Cola limited edition. What do you rate it?
6.
I do like how the can has got the little cinnamon sticks on it. It's nice.
I like the tiny can.
You're giving it a 6 out of 10? That's kind of harsh.
You're harsh. You said you didn't taste the difference. You said you were underwhelmed.
Yeah, I'm also going to give it a 6, only because I just don't.
You gonna be harsh.
Give it an 8.
Mystery Guest likes it. She's giving it an 8.
With your
So there
poop
you
cup.
go. 6 from Riley and me, 8 from the Mystery Guest. It's up to you if you guys want to try it. I probably wouldn't buy it again. I'm thinking the Mystery Guest might, but...
I love cinnamon and I think it's yummy.
all right, there you go. So if you like cinnamon
And Coke.
and you like Coca-Cola, go out and get yourself cinnamon Coca-Cola. It's a limited edition. Don't wait too long. Oh, yeah. And then you got one of these guys. I don't know why Riley's
His
showing you
face
that.
is so tiny.
You got that at a craft fair.
His face is so tiny.
What's it called? Parapeep?
Yeah,
Because it's made out of
parapeeps.
paracord. And the people who made it called it a parapeep. Oh, we're totally getting off topic now. Thank you. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe. Tap that notifier bell so you don't miss the next video we make. I thank you for watching, and remember, before you take the first bite or sip, you gotta stuff it in your pie hole.